Happy Friday to everybody out there. Thanks again for being with us here on KXAN News at 4. Now, it may not feel much like it today, but it's beginning to look a lot more like fall out there in Central Texas. KXAN's Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is digging into the changing leaf colors that we know as fall foliage.
You know, sometimes when I'm thinking about, ooh, what should I dive in depth into today?
Sure.
It comes to me as I'm driving around.
You're like, the changing colors out there.
Exactly, that's what it was. I was like, oh, those trees look nice. I was like, I don't know if I've done an update on the foliage
yet.
Yeah, we're inching our way toward the peak of the leaf change or fall foliage here in Central Texas, but we're not quite there yet. Here is a map of the whole U.S., courtesy of explorefall.com, where they track the changing leaf color nationwide. And you can see so much of the country past peak. The leaves have changed, they've fallen down, and it looks a lot like winter across much of the country. As we zoom into Texas, though, you can start to see the progression of the leaf change. Farther north and west, the leaves are past peak, and then you get the peak color, and then you get the near peak conditions there in Dallas and areas just to the west of us. Then as we zoom in into Central Texas, you can see where we're at now. Unfortunately, around Austin and a lot of our warmer areas, just patchy color so far. But just outside of the city and a lot of our suburbs and into the hill country, even our eastern counties, we're starting to see more of a moderate color now and near peak colors showing up in parts of the hill country. So when do we actually, on average at least, see the peak color? Well, the western hill country sees it first in mid-November, which is now. And then as we get toward late November, that's when it happens in the rest of Central Texas, and usually closer to the beginning of December for areas right in Austin with those warmer temperatures. So what's happening as the leaves are changing color? Well, with cooler weather as well as the shorter days, the tree's chlorophyll starts to break down. And what that does is it leaves behind other colors in the leaves. Now that the chlorophyll is gone, you can almost see the true color of the leaves left over. And depending on the chemicals left in the leaves, you'll get different colors, yellows, oranges, and reds, depending on what's left once the chlorophyll breaks down. Got a full blog on this on KXAN.com under the weather and traffic blog. It was something I wrote a couple weeks ago, but it still applies now when the leaves usually change in Central Texas, and that can be a guide for you there if you like checking out those leaves. All right, let's take you outside right now on another warm day. The warmth, by the way, only delaying the leaf color change, although it is inevitably going to happen. Clear skies, as you can see, nothing but blue out there looking to the north. What has been persistent over the last few days is a southerly breeze every day. That has been helping to crank up the humidity, bring us more and more clouds around during the mornings, and also help to boost our temperatures as well. Most of those morning clouds disappeared late morning, if not early afternoon in a few spots, but they are gone. Although they're not gone for long. Notice what our computer models do as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. They start to make a comeback. So low clouds, even some patchy areas of fog, may not clear until late morning or midday, but then it's a mostly sunny Saturday afternoon. So in many ways, tomorrow may be a repeat of today. Then we go into tomorrow night, Sunday morning. I still think there'll be some areas at least of low clouds before we're back to mostly sunny skies again. So your forecast tonight, clear this evening, and then those low clouds develop overnight, and that sets us up for another pretty gray beginning to the day tomorrow in a lot of spots. Overnight lows of 64 is warm for this time of year. We should be in the low 50s instead. And then it's 86 Saturday, clouds giving way to sun, a warm day. Even warmer on Sunday, that 88 would be a record high for the day in Austin. Then our attention turns to our next storm. Not this one moving into California, that's going to miss us. The one that's coming our way is this swirl right here west of Alaska. That is an area of low pressure, and a trough associated with that should be arriving as we approach the middle of next week. Now, what's changed in our forecast since what we were looking at yesterday? Well, our rain chances for Wednesday have gone down a little bit. It looks like very much focused on Thursday being your best bet of rain, thunderstorms next week. There may also be some lingering showers or a storm on Friday, especially during the morning. But I do think we get the majority of our rain here on Thursday. That's not to say your Tuesday or Wednesday will be dry, but the coverage of rain looks to be much lower. How much rain are we looking at next week? And remember, most of this comes later Wednesday and especially Thursday. Still looks like 1 to 2 inches for most of us. I've been able to expand that down a little bit more to include Austin, so expanded it farther south. Still, the farther south you are, the lower the rainfall looks to be. 1/4 inch to 1 inch for most areas of, say, Hayes, Caldwell, Fayette, Gillespie counties, and we'll continue to refine the rain forecast as we get closer to the arrival of the rain here next week. Here's our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Until then, plenty of warmth, middle, even upper 80s at times. Another record high possible Tuesday. Then the numbers start to come down as a few showers and storms arrive Wednesday. Then a cold front accelerates the cooling. We're down in the 70s Thursday and Friday with those rain chances peaking on Thursday.